Hey, hello guys, welcome to Tongli. Today we are introducing about the rotors of the cage crusher. So last time we mentioned the rotors are made of uh, a big pulley, a small pulley, and also a big rotor, and also a small rotor. And in terms of the structure of the rotor, you can see. So here's our two plates, two carbon steel plate in here, and with the columns. So the columns are made of wear-resistant material. So it is ASTM material. I think AISI 5140. That's the specification of the columns. And then inside, where this rotor connected to the shaft of the cage crusher, it is a steel casting. It is a number 45 steel casting. So these two has formed the rotors of the cage crusher. And then if you look on the back, we can also see some shafts in here that will be installed on these rotors. So this is our assembly areas. You can see we have some shafts and we have some cage rotors, and also we have gearboxes in here. And as well as you can see over there, we have a 40 assembled big rotor. So you can see there's the two bearing housings with the pulleys on the left side, and then the two that the rotors, one set of rotors the installed on the shaft. So you can see this is a pair of cage that these two will be combined into one rotor assembly and be installed inside of the casing of the cage crusher. Take a look.